Good morning, Senior 2. I hope you are fine. Our lesson today is about the important excretory organ in man. First, we will study the skin. The skin is the biggest organ in your body. Why the skin is the biggest organ? Because it covers the whole body and limbs from outside. Our skin is composed of mainly two layers. We will study the structure of your skin. The skin consists of two layers. Number one is epidermis. The epidermis divided into surface layer and inner layer. And dermis, and the dermis contains many things: sweat gland, hair, sensory nerve, blood vessels, fatty cells. Okay. First, as we see here, the outermost layer is epidermis. The epidermis consists of several layers of epithelial cells. As you can see, the surface layer contains a very important horny substance called keratin. What is the function of keratin? The keratin protects the body against microbes, okay? And it worn out because it has what's meaning of worn out? It can be rubbed, okay, by friction force, okay, when you're rubbing your hand, for example. The inner layer, as you can see, so again the outer layer or the surface layer contain keratin, okay. The inner layer give the skin its color. Why the inner layer give the skin its color? Because it contains a pigment cell. This pigment cell is called melanin. The melanin responsible for giving the skin its color. So this is the first layer. As you can see, epidermis, outer layer contains keratin, inner layer contains melanin. So melanin and keratin exist in epidermis, the outermost layer in your skin. The inner layer, as you can see, it is the biggest one, is called dermis. The dermis contains several things. Number one is sweat gland. The structure of your sweat gland, as you can see, it consists of coiled tube, sweat tube, and sweat pore. Again, sweat gland, sweat tube, and sweat pore. This sweat pore at the surface of your skin to extract the sweat outside your body. What is the component of your sweat? The sweat consists of water, excess salts, and small amount of nitrogenous waste. Again, we studied in the last lesson that nitrogenous waste mostly extracted by your body through your kidney, but very small amount by your skin. Okay? The sweat evaporated on the surface of your skin. What is the function of your sweat? What is the importance of your sweat? The most important rule of your skin is to decrease your body temperature. So, because the sweat is its function is to decrease the body temperature, the sweat increases in summer than in winter. The rate of sweating increase when the weather is hot, and this increase of temperature lead to the dilation of the body of the blood capillaries. This is a very important information. Again, the sweating in summer or in hot weather leads to dilation of blood capillaries. Okay. It is important to remove the remaining waste from sweat continuously by washing your body. because if you not remove this sticky substance, the body or your skin will be sticky and the sweat pores will be blocked. The block of this sweat or this sweat pores, the block of them leads to accumulation of your excess salt and water, and you can smell unpleasant odor. Part number two, or the next thing exists in your epidermis, is your hair. The hair consists of hair follicle, as you can see, surrounded by many blood capillaries,